When vegetable plants transition into the fruiting stage of growth, several processes take place to support the development and maturation of fruits. Here are some key aspects of the fruiting stage in vegetable plants. 1. Flowering. Flowering is the initial step towards fruit production. During this stage, the plants develop flowers, which contain reproductive structures like pistils, female parts, and stamens, male parts. The flowers serve as the precursors to the fruits and are responsible for pollination, which is essential for fruit formation. 2. Pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the stamen to the pistil, leading to fertilization. This process can occur through various mechanisms, including wind, water, or most commonly, through the activity of pollinators like bees, butterflies, or other insects. Pollination enables the fusion of male and female reproductive cells, resulting in the formation of seeds within the fruit. 3. Fruit set. Fruit set refers to the stage where fertilized flowers begin to develop into actual fruits. After successful pollination and fertilization, the ovary of the flower starts to enlarge and undergo changes to form the fruit. The ovules within the ovary develop into seeds, and the surrounding tissues of the flower transform into the fruit's flesh or edible portion. 4. Fruit growth. During this phase, the fruit undergoes significant growth in size, weight, and volume. It is accompanied by cell division, cell enlargement, and the accumulation of various nutrients and organic compounds. The fruit may also undergo changes in color, texture, and taste as it matures. This growth is facilitated by the uptake of water, minerals, and nutrients from the soil, as well as the plant's photosynthetic processes. 5. Ripening. Ripening is the final stage of fruit development and involves physiological and biochemical changes that lead to the fruit's maturity and readiness for consumption. During ripening, the fruit undergoes changes in color, texture, flavor, aroma, and nutritional composition. These changes are influenced by various factors, including the presence of plant hormones like ethylene, enzymes, and environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. 6. Seed dispersal. In many cases, the purpose of fruit production is to aid in the dispersal of seeds for plant propagation. Once the fruit is fully ripe, it may exhibit characteristics that attract animals or facilitate seed dispersal mechanisms such as wind dispersal, water dispersal, or attachment to animal fur. The fruit serves as a protective covering for the seeds, ensuring their survival and dispersal to new locations for potential germination and growth. As vegetable plants transition into the fruiting stage of growth, their nutrient requirements change to support the development and maturation of fruits. Fertilizer application during this stage becomes crucial to ensure optimal plant health, fruit yield, and quality. Here are some key considerations for fertilizer needs during the fruiting stage of vegetable plants. 1. Nitrogen, N. Nitrogen is essential for overall plant growth and vegetative development. However, during the fruiting stage, excessive nitrogen can result in excessive vegetative growth at the expense of fruit production. Therefore, it is generally recommended to reduce nitrogen fertilization during this stage to shift the plant's focus towards fruit development. Limiting nitrogen availability can help promote fruit setting and minimize excessive leafy growth. 2. Phosphorus, P. Phosphorus plays a critical role in promoting root development, flowering, and fruit set. It aids in energy transfer, nutrient uptake, and the formation of proteins and carbohydrates. Phosphorus is particularly important during the fruiting stage to support the plant's reproductive processes. Therefore, it is beneficial to provide adequate phosphorus through fertilizers specifically formulated for fruiting plants. 3. Potassium, K. Potassium is crucial for overall plant health, water regulation, disease resistance, and fruit quality. It helps in the formation of sugars, starches, and proteins, contributing to the flavor, color, and size of fruits. Increasing potassium availability during the fruiting stage can enhance fruit development and improve their taste, texture, and shelf life. Potassium-rich fertilizers or supplements are recommended for fruiting vegetable plants. 4. Secondary nutrients. Secondary nutrients such as calcium, Ca, magnesium, Mg, and sulfur also play important roles during the fruiting stage. Calcium is essential for cell wall formation and preventing disorders like blossom end rot in fruits. Magnesium is involved in chlorophyll production and photosynthesis, while sulfur is important for protein synthesis. Regular soil testing can help determine if these secondary nutrients need to be supplemented through fertilization. 5. Micronutrients. Micronutrients, including iron, Fe, manganese, Mn, zinc, Zn, copper, Cu, boron, B, and molybdenum, Mo, are required in small quantities but are equally important for various physiological processes in vegetable plants. These micronutrients can be incorporated through balanced fertilizer formulations or via targeted micronutrient applications when deficiencies are detected. 6. Fertilizer timing. It is important to time fertilizer applications appropriately during the fruiting stage. Generally, it is recommended to provide fertilizers in smaller, more frequent doses to ensure a steady supply of nutrients for sustained fruit development. Split applications, such as applying fertilizer every few weeks or following label instructions, can help prevent nutrient imbalances and ensure efficient nutrient uptake. Remember, the specific fertilizer requirements for vegetable plants may vary depending on the plant species, soil conditions, and previous nutrient management practices. It is recommended to conduct soil tests to assess nutrient levels and pH, and consult local agricultural extension services or experts for tailored fertilizer recommendations based on specific vegetable crops and regional conditions.